This is how to factory reset an Honor Android smartphone. So first, go to Settings. Then just scroll down. And then tap on System and Updates. Under System and Updates, tap on Reset. And then choose Reset Phone. Then just simply tap Reset Phone button located near the bottom of the display. Finally, choose Reset. Then the phone will erase all data and it will restart once it's done. Just let the phone finish the process. And there you have it. That's how you factory reset an Honor Android smartphone.